Hi, I'm Stan Tatkin. I'm the founder and developer of a psychobiological approach to couple therapy. So we kind of have, something we call the PACT Serenity Prayer. This is mostly to regulate the therapist. And it kind of goes like this. I am a couple therapist. These two people picked each other. They're in each other's care. Therefore, what they do or they don't do is really not my problem. My job is to move them towards secure functioning. So secure functioning basically means that this is a two-person psychological system based on mutuality, true mutuality, and that everything we do is good for me and good for you. We protect each other in public and in private. We know each other in such a way that it's like having each other's owner's manual. We're experts on each other. So when we ask somebody if they're good at work, we might also ask them, are you good at your partner? If they can't say they're good at their partner, then the question is why? Everybody could be good at their partner.
My name's Jeff Schultz. I'm a certified sex addiction therapist from Arizona and licensed professional counselor, and I'm a PACT Level 2 trainee. There's something special about seeing a couple who is really struggling with a whole lot of things that are not right. In other words, the same argument again and again and again. And they believe about that argument that's their problem, that money or sex or cleanliness or kids, all these just different things. They think that's what the problem is. And in our work together, we pull them away to a certain degree from that and help them see that what they really have a problem with is knowing how each other work.
In PACT, when we talk about secure function, we're not talking about the person. They don't have to be secure. We're talking about principles, behaviors that are secure functioning. These are behaviors, principles that are based in true mutuality, fairness, justice, and sensitivity. And this is something we believe everyone can do.
I'm Eva Van Proyen. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist and a relationship expert and part of the PACT core faculty. It feels good and life is so much better to know how to be a successful and skillful partner. And doing this training as a clinician and then also as a student and then also as a person in relationship, there's a huge crossover.
My name's Kara Hoppy. I'm a marriage and family therapist intern. I have a practice in South Pasadena, and I'm also the PACT program manager. I got married right when I started working with Stan a couple of years ago, and it's totally helped my own relationship, applying these principles of true mutuality for both people. What's good for me and what's good for you, finding those win-win situations.
My marriage to my wife, Tracey, did a great deal in informing me about secure functioning. I would say that most everything I began to develop around secure functioning came out of my own experience with it, with my wife, Tracey.
Honestly, it's really helpful for me being so close to Stan and Tracey and seeing their relationship and how well they treat each other is such a good model for me to treat my partner well and know how I want to be treated.